Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to use Telegram. This is for beginners, and of course in order for you to start you have to go to your Google Play Store and download or install this Telegram application. You have to type the word Telegram here. Oops, not this one. But anyways, if you have not installed your Telegram, you can see in this area the green button here. You can see the word install, and you just have to tap that one and wait for a couple of minutes or seconds. It depends on how strong your internet is. And then you have to tap that one and then click open. So in order for you to create an account on Telegram, you must provide your country. Let's just say I'm living in Argentina, and you have to provide your phone number, the exact phone number, because they will ask you if this number is correct, and then you just have to tap yes. Now they will call you or they will send you a code or it will text you a code, and you have to verify that. You have to type it again here in order for you to create Telegram. So to start, you just have to click the three lines there, and you can put or enter your name here, or you can edit your name here. But since you are a first timer, so you have to type your name here, and then once done, click check. Now, if you go down, you can see your settings. We have here chat settings. We also have here privacy and security. So if you want to have two-step verification, auto delete messages, passcode, you just have to toggle this on. For privacy, you can see my last seen time. You can also click nobody. Okay, also same with this profile photos, your contacts, your group and channels, your voice messages, and so on. Delete my account if away for, let's just say, 1 year. Your account will be automatically deleted. Or you can also disregard this one. And then bots and websites. And then contact. If you don't want to sync your contacts, you just have to toggle this one off, toggle it off. Okay, click disable, and that's it. Now you can go back and click this notifications and sounds if you want to customize your sounds here, or you have to edit anything here. For example, calls. You can choose your ringtone. You can even select a song from your profile to set as a ringtone. Just go to select files and select the music here or the sound here. Tap this circle, and once done, you can go back. Always click allow. Okay, so once you're done with this, you can go to data and storage. You can see there the information of your data and storage, and you can just edit anything here. Everything is up to you. Now you can go back and see this power saving. Okay, the information about your power saving is here. Go back again, and you can tap this other folders. You can create new folder for your chats, secret chats, or add chats. Everything is here. Now, when you go back and see devices, you can also link your device to your laptop and other devices. And if you don't want this, or if you want to terminate all link device, just tap this terminate all other sessions. For language, just tap your language here, and here it is. This is what it looks like. Now, if you want to create new group, you just have to tap the pencil, select any of the person here that you want to include on your group. Okay, for example, I want to include my friend C. Just tap this name, click this arrow, and then enter group name. And then once done, you just have to click this check here. If you want to create a new secret chat, you just have to tap again the pencil icon and click new secret chat and tap any of this friends list here that you want to join or member. But as you can see, I cannot record or screen record this because it's a private channel or a chat, private chat. And then for new channel, you just have to tap again the pencil, create new channel, type channel name here and description. And then once done, you just have to tap check. You can even edit this channel if you want. If you want this channel to be public or private, you can also set this to private and then click check. Or you can add people first and then click this arrow. Now you have this private channel here. And if you want to edit the settings, you can just simply edit it, or you can even delete your channel if you want. So that's it. And in order for you to add someone, you just have to view your contacts on Telegram and add anyone here on your contacts. And you can just easily send a message to the person if you want. Also, you can tap these three lines here and look for contacts and invite your friends. Okay, invite friends. You just have to type their name here and then click add. Also, you can just find people nearby if you want. You just have to tap this allow access. So that's it. That's a little bit information about how to use Telegram. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.